you've got an airbag light coming on your Ford Falcon AU, you need to count how many times it flashes. And you can see this one flashes 3 times. Four times. So it flashes 4 times and then 3 times. Now I'm not sure if I can count because I think that was 3 times. Okay, so it's flashing 3 times, then a space, then 3 times again. That indicates a fault with the airbag on the passenger side. If we go over to the passenger side, there is no airbag, and what you'll find behind that cover is an airbag delete. Covers easily come off, just lever them at the bottom and away they come. Inside you should find a wire. On the end of this wire is a resistor. Now, we've had a look at this before and tried to fix it, and I've even had a professional auto electrician try to fix it, so here I am again having another look. So this is the cable that would connect to the airbag, and there's a resistor that's been put across 2 of the terminals. You can see there it's 2.2, and it's just been pushed into the outer 2 connectors, and well, it's just completely loose. And that's what it is. That's what the auto electrician put in. So I'm going to refit this, but make it so it's much tighter, or I might even try and solder it directly onto the 2 wires that come into the back here. And you can see here. So I've managed to push it into the back of the connector. I folded the 2 wire pins over and it's gone in much tighter. So I've just pushed it in the back, not the end where the airbag would connect, and it's gone in there. Actually, yeah, seems to have gone in there quite solid. I can start the car up. It's really hot in here, so we'll switch the car on again, get the aircon going at least, and see if we've got an airbag light flashing. Well, it's gone out. I think it normally comes on quite quickly, within 2 or 3 seconds. It doesn't seem to be on. Doesn't seem to be coming back on. Might be successful. So again, this is what I've done. I've put this is the resistor. So I'll take that up and put the cover back on, and I'll try it for a few days, and then if all is good, I'll post the video. Get this cover back on. I'm sure it's supposed to have some clips, but they've long gone. And one final check. Well, it just seemed to stay on longer that time. I was nervous that it hadn't fixed it, but all seems good. Now that's real power.